Hey, family. Hey, family. Listen to this. I got Dove on my mind. And this coupon expires on the 26th. So I had to go to Rosie's Express, my go-to for the Dove coupon. And what time I walked in the door, what did I see? The Dove for $4.99, guys. And this is the 27-ounce bottle of Dove. So I said $4.99, yeah. And I have a $3 off coupon. So what? $1.99 for the 27-ounce bottle of Dove. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a couple of those, but I want the other bottle, the smaller bottle. But they have different. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, they have it, and I was looking for it, and I was like, okay, now Roses, I felt a little lost. Oh, wait a minute. Hair products. I love my natural hair products. The black castor oil for my hair. Jamaican. Okay, the black. I didn't come here for that. I didn't come here for that. Found one bottle, two bottles of Dove, the 25 ounces, two on the top shelf, and I'm like, I know Roses has more Dove than this. And look where they are. Still in the boxes, still in the aisle, waiting to be stocked. And I do a lot of things, but I'm not stocking where I'm not getting paid. So I guess what? I walked up, checked out, make sure I got my coupons and that they match the Dove, and they do. 22 ounces or larger, and I got that. So yeah, I got 4 bottles of Dove during this trip. Gave them up to the cashier, who was very nice, and she is very familiar with me. So she was like, this lady with the coupons, here she go. Yes, they all worked. Got my coupons. Got my Dove with my coupons. So now you know, like and subscribe to my channel, guys, and run out to Roses to get your Dove for 99 cents and $1.99. You can't beat that with a bottle of ginger ale.